Hi guys, in this series of videos I'm talking about what to do now after CAT exam. So the CAT is over now, so let's move the focus to the phase 2 which is for the non-CAT exam. Yeah, so December 1 we are kicking off with our new batch now for pure focus on all the non-CAT exams, SNAP, NMAT, CMAT, ATMA, MAT, जैट को छोड़ के, बिकॉज जैट का लेवल थोड़ा अलग जाएगा. जैट के लिए वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर. इवन जैट इज ऑल्सो कवर्ड हेयर बिकॉज फॉर एग्जाम्पल डिसीजन मेकिंग we are covering up here, but this is purely from the non-CAT exam point of view, non-CAT, non-ZET. So if you can follow this timetable, you can CAT कैसा भी गया अभी उसको भूल जाओ यार. रिजल्ट आने तक you can't do anything. For the next 1 month, next 40 days, CAT का result is going to be out around Jan 10th. The other typical date around which CAT का result is out. So rather than being sulky for the next 40 days, it's better to start the preparation non-CAT exam. I want to talk about my Japan trip. So I booked my flight for Japan, so Mumbai, Tokyo in the month of April. यार आपके लिए एक एग्जाम है यार. Once you have to give CAT, once you have to give CET. For me, it's an exam every year. So I need a break. Yeah. So I am now looking forward for the break. कि मुझे बस next 4 months, December, Jan, Feb, March, I have to work my ass off, work hard so that I can enjoy this holiday. Yeah. So going on 11th March, I've given अप्रैल का डेट बिकॉज अभी शायद सीईटी का फॉर्म एक्सटेंड होगा, एग्जाम जो भी होगा. सो आई एम कीपिंग सेफ. सो अप्रैल 11 टू होपफुली तब तक कोरोना वायरस भी खत्म हो जाएगा. आई एज्यूम दैट केस. सो आई एम जस्ट बुक माई टिकट. सो मुंबई टोक्यो. So this is my way to motivate myself. Same way, what you're going to do after the exam, आप एक प्लान बनाओ. आपको लद्दाख जाना है, आपको गोवा जाना है, आपको ऑस्ट्रेलिया जाना है, जो भी प्लान बना एक प्लान बनाओ यार. मैं ये करने वाला हूँ, वो करने वाला हूँ. So after CAT exam, I am gifting myself iPhone 12. That's my task, my gift to myself for CAT. And after CET, I'm going to take a holiday. Okay, coming back to the plan. For the first 4 months, December का month is mainly for the non-CAT exam. CET में भी आने वाले टॉपिक वो भी, but non-CAT में आने वाले. I'm keeping those topics first. SNAP, NMAT, IFT, CMAT, TIS, all the exams are covered in this part. Now, for example, Monday I'm reserving for critical reasoning. Critical reasoning, importance-wise, is 10 questions in CET, but in NMAT, 18 questions are coming from this topic. So every other exam, non-CAT exam, is basically based on CET exam. Yeah, so I'm basing my this thing on CET के level. ZET इसमें include नहीं है, बस बाकी सब exam covered है. Course of action, cause and effect, all the strong area, statement, conclusion, then वापस repeat for advanced level. So phase 1, phase 2. So this is the first blue part is mainly for the non-CAT exam with CET as well. SNAP, NMAT, other exams with CET of course. And then January में आके जो CET का remaining topic, and Jan 15 के बाद, Jan 25 onwards, I'm going to revise, complete everything again, revise for the CET exam. Phase 1, phase 2. So CET वालों के लिए phase 1, phase 2, and non-CAT वालों के लिए again phase 1 will focus on CMAT, SNAP, all the exams, and then Feb, March will focus on CET. Yeah. So Monday, critical reasoning and abstract. Because CET में abstract is 25 marks. बाकी exam में 1-2 mark आएगा, but CET is going to be 25 marks. So that will be our Monday. Tuesday is vocabulary and grammar day. Wednesday is always puzzles. Pick up any exam, NMAT, SNAP, almost 1/3 to 1/4 of the paper is going to be on puzzles. Same way grammar vocab. मुझे RC पैराजमल को साइड पे रखा है, मैंने ग्रामर vocab पे मेन फोकस करना है. Interchange, fill the blanks, close test, all those things. और सब एग्जाम में दिखेगा. Every exam they're going to have this. Thursday is DIDS, one day dedicated for DI calculations, everything. And Thursday we have the reading ka part as well. Okay, now vocabulary grammar is separate, reading is separate, para jumble, para completion, idioms, proverbs, para completion, all those topics. Yeah, Friday is the modern logic topics, input, output, syllogisms is day reserved for the logic. This is puzzles is separate, and modern logic and traditional logic is separate. So I would rather call it logic. And Saturday, Sunday is quant. थोड़ा boring काम भी करने होते हैं. So Saturday, Sunday, I'm keeping for quant. complete the syllabus. Along with this, we'll have the sessions for strategy sessions. Along with this, we have all the master classes. Along with this, we have all the marathons. Everything will be taken care of. वो मैंने इसमें डाला नहीं है. And mocks. For the time being, we have हफ्ते में एक mock. If I talk about CET point of view, total 40 mocks we're going to do. Then हफ्ते में दो mock, तीन mock. Last में आके चार पांच mocks. Total 40 mocks we have to cover for CET. Total 120 lectures we are going to conduct for the CET. Last में आके marathons, advanced lecture, master classes, mock strategies. This is a complete plan for 0 to 100 for all the exams. Yeah, you can download this table from the description box. Wherever you study, आपके सामने चिपका दो. This covers up everything. यार, para jumble, data sufficiency, data comparison, all those topics which are coming in the exams are all covered here. And this is going to be your main target for the day. And all right, in case you want to join our program, you can just call us on any of the numbers given here. And let's start with the phase 2 for the entrance exam with a new renewed मोटिवेशन. यार ऑब्वियसली यार कैट के बाद मेरा भी कुछ काम करने को मन नहीं करता है, बट दिस ट्रिप विल दिस जापान की टिकट हैव पुट इन मोर एनर्जी इनटू मी. ये मैं कॉलेज से करता आ रहा हूँ. इन माय इंजीनियरिंग डेज, यू नो व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू? आई यूज्ड टू बुक माय टिकट टू होम. घर की टिकट बुक करा दो, मोटिवेशन आएगा पढ़ने के लिए. दो दोस्त हॉस्टल अंडरस्टैंड किया मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. ऑल द बेस्ट.